So in this video, we're going to go over the key steps of how you're going to be able to build out your cold email infrastructure. It's going to be buying the domains, setting it up to an admin account, then creating the inboxes itself, setting it up to a sending tool like SmartLead, and then being able to warm up the inboxes, create the cold scripts, and then be able to launch your campaign. So we're going to go from very beginning all the way to the end, step by step, and I'm going to walk you through it. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go in and buy your domain. I recommend Pork Bun. You can use GoDaddy, whatever you really want. But you can be able to just go to ChatGPT, put in your main domain, and then look up variations of that you can use and put in for yourself. So you just search it up here, you add them to the cart, and then from there you're able to buy right here. Then once you buy, you can then go to domain management. This will go into all of your accounts. These are the domains that I own. For this example, we are going to use thecatalyst.squad.com. All right, so that's the one that we're going to be using for this example. So we'll be able to go into here. The next thing you're going to want to do once you buy those domains is you're going to want to go and create your Google Workspace. So as you saw here, I've already created mine, but just to show you, this is the Google Workspace that you'll be able to create. Now, you don't need to do any of these crazy plans. Just go to Business Starter, set those up for your domains that you'll be able to have centered around this admin account. So once you're in the admin account, we're going to then go to here. This is where the admin account is. You're going to be able to see everything here on this side. Here's the home button to go in. Just click the admin, which you can find it. So once you're in at this point, you're going to go to account. Once you're at account, you're going to go to domains, manage domains. So now we're here at managing domains. So these are the ones that I currently have in. So now I'm going to add a domain, which is the one that we were talking about. So add in domain. I'm going to go thecatalyst.squad.com, add that in here, add domain and start verification process. So, all right, we're going to verify it. Great. It was selected on Pork Bun. That's where the domain was. And then we're going to have to add in the TXT record. So I'm going to copy this for the TXT record. I'm going to go to Pork Bun, go to the DNS settings. I'm going to put in TXT here under type, for host, and then this will be the answer and value that we're going to put here. We're going to add this. Once we add this, that's it. We have it entered in. We're going to go back here. We're going to confirm that we've updated the code on the domain host and confirm. So this is honestly not going to take very long. It'll probably just take as I'm speaking. So there you go. Domains verified. So here we go. We have this here. Now we're going to go to activating the gmail.com. All right. Set up and receive. We want to be able to do that. So, okay, we're going to, it's giving us this information. We're going to want to add users. So now we have that as an option. So now when we go to add user, I'm going to go to Alex Kamel. And then here we now have the Catalyst Squad. So we're going to do Alex first, add new user. It looks very intimidating and complicated, this process, but I promise you it's not if you follow these steps. So once we have that done, great. We're going to go done here. It's going to be added in a second, but for now, I'm just going to do the next one. I recommend doing 2 inboxes per domain. Some people do 1, some people do 5, but I like to play it on the safer side and do 2 inboxes per domain and then send out for the campaigns, sending out 20 emails a day per those campaigns. So if you think about it, if you want 10 domains, then you're going to be sending out 400 emails a day because 20 inboxes, 20 emails a day, 400 a day. So I would usually use that kind of math when being able to do this. So Alex Kamel, and then we're going to go here, Catalyst Squad again. So then now this is Alex Kamel at thecatalyst.squad.com, add new user, and then boom, we have this here. So then we're going to go done. Great. So we have these set up now. There we go. So the Catalyst Squads are the ones that we're setting up. We haven't signed in here or here. So we're going to do here. Click on one of them. This is the Alex at the Catalyst Squad. Go to reset password. It's going to give us the password to automatically generate. Copy it. Excellent. Now we're going to go create this account. Add another account. Oh, that's the password. So Alex at, what was it? Alex at the Catalyst Squad. I believe it was. Yes, thecatalyst.squad.com. Great. And put in that password you just saw. And then I understand. Great. And create a new password. So it doesn't matter that anyone saw it. Then we're going to go to no thanks. I don't want to do that. I do want to attach this to my admin account, which is alexkamel at the Catalyst Creators, or no, sorry, alex at the catalystcreators.com. So I'm going to click that. Now it is going to just take me back to this page, but as you can see, I have this popping up. It's going to do that continually. So what we'll do here is just do it on a new tab, Catalyst Squad. It's going to go here. And then you're going to see we have a brand new email account using the domain we just bought. Great. New email account, fresh email account. And we're going to want to do this exact same step with the other account here, but with the other Catalyst Squad. But for the sake of speed running this setup process, I'm just going to do the one and then show you how we're able to set it up with SmartLead. So we're going to go into SmartLead. We're going to go into email accounts, add accounts, connect, Gmail. We're going to have this copy client ID. We're going to copy the client ID. Now, this is something I already have set up in here, but I'll show you for how you are able to set it up. So you're going to go to security, access and data control, API controls. Then we're going to go to manage third-party app access. So I already have it all in here, but what you're going to want to do is configure the new app. You're going to type in this link, the copy client ID. You're going to put that into here, search, SmartLead will come up. Then you're going to give access to all, continue, yes, I trust it, so on and so forth. So trusted, and then review. I'm not going to finish this just because I already have this already entered in, but you're just going to press that one finish button. And then once you do that, you're able to go to SmartLead, connect account, see which one is yours. Alex at thecatalyst.squad.com. Great. You're going to allow it. And then boom, you bought the domain, you set up the admin account, you entered in the domain into the admin account, you created inboxes, and now you've set it up to SmartLead, where now you're going to be able to start the warm-up process. Let's say we're going to send out 25 a day. And then we're going to keep this here. So we're going to do like 22 to 25. Let's say like a 75% reply rate. And then we're going to update it. So just like that, very quickly, we are now having this email account update in here. So you have learned in this to be able to buy your domains in Porkbun, be able to set up your admin account in Google, be able to connect them together, be able to create the inboxes, and be able to connect it to SmartLead. This is everything you need to know to be able to get to the point where you have that 14-day warm-up in SmartLead, and then the next steps are really creating the script, building those out, and then being able to target the leads in the campaign. But for the technical parts that you need for having a cold email campaign, this is everything you need to know. So if you have any questions, I definitely recommend using SmartLead as your sending tool. You can be able to use the link below to be able to sign up for it. And any other questions, I have my links in the description below. Feel free to ask, but this should be able to set you up for your cold email. So let me know anything you guys have to ask, and have a great day.